Good morning, students. Today I will start general knowledge. And in general knowledge, we will deal three topics. That is 11 world famous people. Chapter 12 flags of the world. And chapter 13 traditional costumes of the world. So children, first we will start chapter 11 world famous people. There are a lot of people who have done things that have made them famous. They are people who inspire all of us. So today we will discuss about some world famous people. Now children, see in your book. Here are some world famous peoples. So what you have to do, you have to write their names from the help box. So number 1, so we are going to talk about the rise of the world biggest technology company, Microsoft. And this is the success story of William Henry Bill Gates. He is one of the world richest people, perhaps the most successful businessman ever. Number 2, Barack Obama. Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States and the first African American holding office from 2009 to 2017. Number 3, Malala Yousafzai initially became famous for the childhood activism against the Tehreek-e-Taliban. Pakistan restrictions on education for girls. She became the youngest person to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. Next, number 4, Mother Teresa became famous as the Catholic nun at the age of 18 who dedicated and devoted all her life to the poor and needy. She was also Nobel Peace Prize winner. Now we will discuss chapter 12 flags of the world. Our national flag is a flag that symbolizes a country. Now number 1, the flag of this country has 2 triangles. It is the only flag that is not rectangular in shape. So this is the flag of Nepal. Number 2, the flag which has a lion clutching a sword. So this is the flag of Sri Lanka. Number 3, the flag has 4 small stars and a large gold star on the red background. So this is the flag of China. Number 4, it is also known as the maple leaf flag. So this is the flag of Canada. Number 5, known as the Tiranga, which means tricolor. This flag has 3 colors, saffron, white and green. So this is the flag of India. Number 6, the flag that has 13 stripes and 50 stars, that is sometimes referred to as the stars and stripes. So this flag is belong to USA. Number 7, this flag is popularly called the Union Jack. So this is the flag of UK, United Kingdom. Number 8, the flag which has an eagle with a snake. So this is the flag of Mexico. Have to do, you have to write the numbers. Here B. You can write Nepal also. Sri Lanka, China, India, UK, USA, Canada, Mexico. Now we will discuss chapter 13 traditional costumes of the world. So, traditional costumes are a way through which people and culture can define themselves and establish their identities. So now come to your books. Write the letter for the names of this country to which these people belong. Now you have to identify country. So number 1 dress, kimono, belong to Japan. Number 2, white coat is belong to Saudi Arabia. Number 3, USA. Meaning shirt, coat and pant belong to USA. Number 4, sari. Sari belong to India. Kilt. Kilt belong to Scotland. Chiyun jisam belong to China. Number 7, Kutu Suwal belong to Nepal. So children, what you have to do, you have to complete page number 27, 28 and 29 in your GK book. Till then, thank you.